What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm actually just finished getting ready, and today's vlog is going to be me prepping for a new semester at school. I'm going to show you guys what I do to prep, and I start the 21st, so it's in a couple of days. A lot of people started already, which is crazy, so I'm super happy that my school week started a little bit later, but I'm kind of ready to get back into like a structured routine. You know, now with new classes this semester, I need to figure out what works for me, just like I did last semester, and I'm going to bring you guys along through it. So I hope you guys are ready for them. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my college videos, because I just love doing them, you know, giving advice and everything. So I just put on my Laneige lip mask. Even though it's for nighttime, I just put it on during the day, and I'm putting on this Victoria's Secret teas. It is called Glam. It's like their teas collection. I got these 3 samples for Christmas, so I'm just, you know, wearing them. And I'm gonna go pick up my friend. She's gonna come with me. We're gonna get our eyebrows done because we go to the same place, and she has to get some stuff from Target too, and who doesn't love Target? So we're gonna just be running a bunch of errands, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I do to prep. So let's just start with the vlog. I'm gonna go put these away. Also, I'm just wearing like super basic outfit. It's kind of cold out, like windy, but I'm gonna wear like a denim jean jacket, and I want to take some pictures today, maybe, depending if they come out good and if I feel, you know, good. We'll see. Alright, when I'm prepping for a new semester, I like to just make sure nothing like that I don't need is in the backpack, which I've already done in my vlog of like decluttering. I took out all my old paperwork, notebooks that I don't need, but I didn't go through my pencil case because my pencil case is literally completely full, and I actually mean, like, I know I need new pens. So I'm gonna go in and just get rid of ones that are like dry, highlighters as well. Get rid of these because they're all like dry and old, so I'm getting rid of those. I'm gonna put these back in. So I'm gonna need another like yellow and pink highlighter, something like that, and I want to get like a pack of these other pens. Maybe we'll see what I find, because I just love having different options and I like to color code. So definitely gonna be on the lookout, but it's not as full as it was before. This is the outfit of the day. This denim jean jacket that has like the fur, it's actually my sister's. Then my black Nike hoodie, some black leggings, and then I'm wearing my white Continentals. And it's actually like nice out. It's really sunny. It's a little windy, but it's not that cold. The weather's actually gonna drop like tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my friend, and then first thing we're gonna do is go get our eyebrows done. And we're gonna get them threaded, and then the next stop is going to be either Ulta, maybe, because I have a coupon, or Target. Obviously we're gonna go to Target because who doesn't love Target? And I need to like get school supplies, so that's like the perfect place. Plus I didn't have my coffee today at home because we're gonna go to Starbucks in Target to shop around. So I have gift cards anyway, so it's not like I'm spending money on coffee. So yeah, that's the plan. This is the little OOTD and my Ray-Ban sunglasses because it's super sunny. Alright, I just finished getting our eyebrows done. I'm with my friend. She doesn't want to be in the camera, but we just made it to Target and I just got them threaded. She did a good job. It was really fast. Yeah, we're gonna go school supply shopping while I am. Do you need anything? No? Okay. I need my bag, but yeah, I need to get some pens and stuff. And get some Starbucks. Alright, I need to figure out what pens I'm gonna get. Alright, I'm gonna get these Papermate gel pens. And I need Sharpies. I might do these mini ones with the clear view, because sometimes the other ones like smudge a lot. So I'm gonna get these maybe. I just don't like how they're so thick. picked up this 5-subject college rule notebook because I just like to use one notebook for the semester and just have each section for each class that I have. So it's perfect. Now we're just gonna browse around because that's what you do in Target. Alright guys, so I actually really wanted to go to Ulta to get this brand face masks, but we were in the cosmetics aisle and my friend saw this in the clearance, so I think I'm just gonna get this one. They don't have each one that I wanted, they just have the cucumber gel one, so we're gonna both get it and test it out. And she's getting some hair products, so very successful day. Alright guys, I am now home. I'm gonna do a little bit of a haul for you guys. Also, don't mind this, it's like a little bit, like a little mini bookshelf. Anyways, so little Target haul, which I already kind of showed you guys basically, but now that I'm home I could actually talk a little bit more. So I got my 5-subject notebook. I live by 5-subject notebooks because it's just so easy. Everything is in one place. I don't need to carry 100 books, you know. I got the face mask. I'm really excited. My friend actually who recommended this brand, where I was gonna go to Ulta, I was just telling my other friend who was with me, oh, I want to go to Ulta and try like the 5 or 6 pack sample, and she was like, oh, do they have them here? And I was like, oh no, they don't have them. And then it was in the clearance section, so we're gonna try it out. My friend actually she has like the whole pack, so she's actually trying this one out, and so me and my friend from today, we both bought it, so we'll see how she liked it and stuff and see if she thinks it works really well. And then, like I showed you guys, the highlighters and the pens that I got. Super basic and simple, nothing crazy. I'm actually going to keep my receipt just in case the mask doesn't work out. Yeah, I'm going to go actually, and since I right now only have one syllabus that was emailed to me for my online class, I'm going to actually write down the dates and everything in my planner. But it kind of sucks because I wish all the other classes emailed, but they haven't yet. So once they do, probably like the first day of school, I'll write down everything else. But since she emailed us, I'm going to take everything out and start prepping and have my planner, you know, color coordinated. I'll show you guys what I do. This is the backpack that I use, same one that I've had from freshman year. It's still in really good condition, so I actually highly recommend you guys, if you haven't and you're in the need of a good backpack, this is the Herschel Settlement backpack. It's so good and so comfortable. The straps are really comfortable and it's super spacious. And it also came with a pencil case, which is really useful. So I'm actually gonna put everything in here, and I just got open these up and put them inside so I can start writing in my planner and start organizing. Alright, this is the planner I use, the same one that I had for the fall, obviously. It's just from Target. It's pretty big. I think next year I'm actually going to change it up a bit because the spirals keep coming out actually, and that's really annoying. First thing I'm going to do is color coordinate all my classes, and I usually just write that in the notes section on the side. I really love my planner because it has like a monthly overview, and then it has day to day, so I can write down a little to-do list of any assignments that I need to do. And I don't know why this is out of focus. So yeah, I could just write down my assignments, and I really like it. I love color coordinating everything because when I go in and write down all my assignments, it's just super easy to revert back to my little key that I have here. So I'm basically taking five, kind of 6 classes. I have a global issues class, which is Monday and Thursday, a psych class, which is abnormal psych, and then that's also Monday and Thursday. Criminal justice ethics, which is Wednesdays only. Then I have an online class, which is social advocacy class. It's like an introduction to it. That's online. And then I have science, which I have to take one more lab. So this is my last lab. It's the human environment. So I have like a lecture on Tuesday, and then the lab is Wednesday morning. So it's like kind of 6 classes, but I just count it kind of like as one. Well, that's kind of how like last year went with our lab, so we'll see how this one is. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and pull up my syllabus for my online class because she made one for us, like a schedule where it tells us each week what assignment is due. And basically the way she broke it down was every Thursday we'll have something due, either a discussion or like a short essay, stuff like that. So I'm gonna pull it up really quickly, and then yeah, so look, so she kind of pulled it up as each week something will be due on the Thursday and what readings go along with it. I don't need to purchase a textbook for this. She's gonna provide us with everything, which is really nice. And she already assigned something for Thursday the 23rd, which I actually already did, but I wasn't vlogging that day. It was really simple and easy, so I did that, which was this one. It was a discussion board. So I'm gonna go ahead and write down each week so I know that I need to do it. I'll probably honestly work on all of my Thursday assignments probably like Monday and Tuesday when I finish school, since I finished school pretty early those days, so I'll dedicate those days to working on this. Just finished putting everything in my planner that I needed to for that one class. So that was for my online class, because she actually uploaded the syllabus. Well, she had to, because we're not going to see her in class, but other professors still haven't emailed us, and maybe they will this weekend. It's already Friday and I start Tuesday. If not, a lot of professors like to give a hard copy of the syllabus, which is fine. So I'm sure during the week I will just continue to write down everything, because I love to write down everything that they put in the tentative schedule. Usually most of my professors that I've had all have put a tentative schedule of when assignments are due, when exams are, projects, anything like that. So I like to write down literally everything, so I'm never missing out on an assignment. I don't just write the big things. Some people like to just write down, like, you know, when their midterm is or like a final exam. I literally write down every single thing, even just little homework assignments that are due, because it just helps me stay organized. So if you guys want to try that out, I highly recommend it, because you won't feel behind and you will see what's upcoming, so you can start working on it like ahead of time. That's like a big tip of mine. So yeah, I'll just wait, and during the week I'll fill in all the other classes. So that was that for right now. My last step into kind of prepping for the semester is putting my alarms in, which is very sad, because I've kind of been like waking up naturally. I mean, I still wake up pretty early naturally, but it was just nice to not have an alarm. Sometimes I would have an alarm for like 9 o'clock or 9:30 just so I'm not sleeping in too late, but this semester I have to wake up really early. So here are the times of my classes. I have so many 8:30 a.m.s this semester. My freshman year I did have like a couple of 8:30s, and then my spring semester of freshman year I didn't have any 8:30s, I don't believe, or maybe one. Then this fall I didn't have any early classes. I really lucked out. I had an okay schedule. Some days I stayed late. This time around I have a lot of 8:30 classes, but I'm not at school late, which is like nice. It's like a good and a bad thing. I'm gonna like regret picking this schedule when I have to wake up super early, but I feel like once I get back into routine I'll be okay, because I'm the type of person that when I start, you know, getting a little structured more with school, my body will naturally wake up and I'll feel fine, and I just need to go to bed a little earlier. So I have Fridays off. That's like my only day off. But the way I think of it, like for example Tuesdays I have school from 8:30 to 10. So once I'm out of school, it's as if I was waking up at like 9:30 for example, and I still have the whole day ahead of me. So it's not terrible. So I'm actually gonna set my alarms Monday through Thursday. So on your alarm you can do repeat, and you can just click the days that you want your alarm to repeat. So I'll do Monday through Thursday 6:30 waking up, which is so early, but you know, I like to not feel rushed in the morning. I like to wake up, do my whole morning routine, and then have time to sit on the couch, maybe watch a couple YouTube videos, maybe watch some TV, something I like to watch like my show. But I really don't like to just wake up and rush out the door. I'm sure on some occasions, let's say when it's really really cold out or I'm just a little extra tired, I'm sure I'm gonna snooze my alarm like any other normal person, but I'm really good with just waking up, you know, to my alarm and getting out of bed, because I just hate feeling rushed. It kind of just makes me in a bad mood, and you always want to start your morning on a good note so that you have like that positive vibes throughout the whole day. So that is the last thing I'm going to be doing to prep for my new semester. I wish you guys all the best of luck if you've already started or you're starting soon, or even if you're not in college, just good luck in school and anything that you guys are doing. And let's just make it a great semester and finish this year off strong. Well, kind of year, it just started technically, but you know what I mean, like finish this school year off strong. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you give this one a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and like I said, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, because I have a lot of college content coming out for you guys, just like I did last semester. So I will see you guys all on my first day of school. I think that's my next video. It's gonna be my first day back, so wish me luck.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're